let's learn our ABCs.
Hey learners, it's Mango Kids TV!
Look everyone, the alphabet is coming to life. Wow. Now let's learn the letter O. O says, wow! Look at all these amazing things! O is for octopus. Octopuses live in the ocean. O is for orange. Orange. Oranges are juicy fruits. O is for owl. Owls are birds that stay awake at night. Owl. O is for onion. Onion. Onions are used in food. Onion. O is for oil. Oil. Oil is used in cooking. Oil. O is for olive. Olive. Olives are used in food and oil. Olive. O is for oven. Oven. Ovens bake food. O is for ox.
Oxen help farmers.
Ox. Great job learning letter O.
Hi Super Learners, I'm Mango from Mango Kids TV. Today we learned amazing letters from Read, Play, and Smile together.
Tap subscribe and keep learning with us.
Tap subscribe and join our learning family.